Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by routing correctly. Create a new project and arm a vocal audio track so you can monitor in real time. Make sure your vocal input level sits around -6 to -3 dB so Autotune has clean signal headroom. Once the plugin is inserted as an O on the track, set Logic's I/O to the correct microphone and enable input monitoring. This establishes a stable chain, so Autotune receives the exact signal it needs to detect pitch accurately and react with low latency. You now tell Autotune what notes belong in your song, choose the correct key and scale so the plugin maps pitch to the intended scale degrees. Then adjust retune speed. A fast value locks pitch instantly for the iconic effect, while a slower value keeps natural transitions. Use humanize to preserve character on sustained notes. Once done, decide between FlexTune for transparent correction on the fly and graph mode if you want to manually redraw pitch curves for surgical edits and expressive tuning. You finish by refining timbre and dynamics, lightly tweak formant and throat to maintain a natural vowel quality, and automate bypass to a / be the processed versus original takes while you mix. Make incremental adjustments to retune speed and FlexTune automation where transitions feel off. Finally, render or bounce in place once satisfied. If you hear weird artifacts, check buffer size and plugin delay compensation, confirm the song key is correct, and try slightly slower retune speed to reduce unnatural pitch stepping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.